Dogs may be known for their mildness and unconditional love, but just like us humans, they have their own pet peeves. In this video, we'll tell you some of the things dogs hate the most. By understanding their dislikes, we can make sure we provide a comfortable and happy environment for our beloved pets. We know that every living being has emotions, stress, fear, happiness, anxiety, joy, and sadness. While we express them in words, animals do it through their actions. A happy wagging tail, growling voice, and sharp teeth are all expressions of emotions. Dogs are creatures that can understand commands, know a few words, and understand their owner's emotions. Therefore, it can be easier for them to express themselves than other creatures. However, like every living creature, dogs have their red lines. Being an owner doesn't give you the right to do whatever you want with your dog. Even if you have a mild-mannered dog, there will be things that will make him angry. In this video, we'll talk about the things dogs hate. Excessive love and affection can make you want to cuddle them and smother them in kisses. Be careful, this show of affection can end unpleasantly. If you're ready, let's start with the 9 things dogs hate the most. 1. Loud voices. Dogs are very sensitive to tone of voice. Even if you are not angry, if you shout just to call out to a relative in the back room, your dog may perceive this as being angry. This can cause your dog to start yelling and become restless. Dogs, like cats, do not like loud noises. Shouting at him can stress him out and make him afraid. Even if you yell at someone next to you, your dog will still react. When communicating with your dog, it is important to use a medium volume. If you shout, your dog is likely to bark back. This can create unwanted noise pollution and increase your dog's stress levels. Speaking to your dog in a calm and gentle voice will help you communicate better with him. This will also make it easier for your dog to trust and respect you. Also, loud noises such as fireworks, thunderstorms, and even vacuum cleaners can be extremely disturbing for dogs. Their sensitive hearing makes them more sensitive to loud noises, causing anxiety and fear. In these situations, it's important to create a safe and quiet space for your dog to help them feel safe. 2. Being ignored. One of the most common fears of dogs is the fear of abandonment. These loyal companions are extremely attached to their owners and can't bear the idea of losing them. This can lead to separation anxiety, also known as loneliness phobia. When you leave your home, you may have heard your dog storming the building or crying for a long time. Even if you've been to the grocery store, it's quite normal for them to greet you enthusiastically when you return home, as if they haven't seen you for months. Even a 10-minute separation can be unbearable for them. Make sure you spend quality time with your dog, playing games and providing mental stimulation to keep him happy and content. 3. Unwanted touches. While most dogs like to be petted and cuddled, it's important to understand their boundaries. Some dogs may not like certain types of touch or being approached by strangers. Always observe your dog's body language and respect their personal space. If your dog shows signs of discomfort, such as growling or trying to get away, it's best to give them space. Mealtimes are also very important for dogs. Touching him or trying to take his food while he's concentrating on eating can make him angry. In this case, he may growl, snarl, or show his teeth at you. For your dog to be peaceful and happy, it is important to respect his personal space and not approach or disturb him while he is eating. 4. Confinement. Dogs are active animals by nature and love to explore their surroundings. Being confined to a small space for long periods of time can be frustrating for them. Lack of exercise and mental stimulation can lead to behavioral problems. Make sure your dog has enough space to move around. Take them for regular walks. Also, disrupting a dog's routine can make them stressed and anxious. Remember that dogs are punctual animals and value routine. To keep them happy and healthy, be careful not to disrupt their routine. 5. Kissing and petting the dog. Dogs are loving creatures, and it is a great pleasure for us to love them. Showing our affection by kissing them is one of our most natural reactions. But do dogs like to be kissed? Dogs show their affection by licking. Therefore, our kissing behavior can also be perceived as a sign of affection. But not all dogs like being kissed. Some dogs may be uncomfortable being kissed and may even turn away. One of the gestures that dogs don't like is being hugged and the other is being kissed. Therefore, if you want to pet your dog, the best place to do it is on their tummy. Dogs love to have their bellies massaged. They may even throw themselves on the ground just as you are about to stroke their head and wait for you to pet them with their belly open. 6. Washing the dog. Dogs, like humans, react differently to bathing. Some dogs experience a burst of enthusiasm at the sight of a towel and run to the bathroom, waiting to be bathed. For these dogs, bathing is a pleasant and relaxing experience. However, for some dogs, bathing is a nightmare. They don't like going in the water and getting wet, and will do anything to avoid it. They are also very uncomfortable with a wet nose after bathing, and will rub themselves to try to get rid of the wetness. These different attitudes of dogs towards bathing can be due to many factors. Some dogs may have had negative bathing experiences as puppies. Others may have a natural fear of water. 7. Cutting the dog's nails. Cutting your dog's nails is one of the most important grooming routines. As nails grow longer, they can make it difficult for your dog to walk and run, and can even dig into their paws, causing injury. In addition, the dirt and germs that accumulate inside the nails can lead to various health problems. However, it must be admitted that nail trimming is not a pleasant experience for many dogs. They don't like having their paws touched, and nail trimming can stress them out. Some dogs may even resist, bark, or try to bite during nail trimming. 8. Waking the dog from sleep. Dogs, just like humans, can react differently to being woken from sleep. Some dogs are calm and docile when woken from sleep, while others can be aggressive. Some dogs may even become aggressive towards their owners when they are woken up. It's natural for your dog to react differently depending on how they are woken up and their stage of sleep. Being woken up suddenly or being touched during deep sleep can be very disturbing for dogs. They can show this discomfort through various aggressive behaviors, such as growling, barking, or showing their teeth. 9. Blowing in the dog's face. Dogs don't like being blown in the face. In fact, it can make them very angry and even drive them crazy. Even though they don't like the wind, they love to look out the car window. When they are blown in the face, they instantly lose this pleasure and become uncomfortable. So why shouldn't we blow in their face? Dogs have very sensitive noses, and the air we blow can cause irritation to their nostrils. Also, the air we blow can get into your dog's eyes, which can make them even more uncomfortable. Sometimes you may see dust or dirt on your dog's face and want to blow it off. However, while this may seem like a sensible solution for you, it can be quite uncomfortable for your dog. We always feel the love and loyalty of dogs, but it's important to remember that there are some things they hate. In this video, we talk about the 9 things dogs hate the most. By avoiding these things, you can help your dog live a happier and healthier life. Remember that dogs have individual characters, and each dog may react differently. Therefore, it is always best to observe your dog and act accordingly. To build a loving and respectful relationship with your dog, it is important to understand his body language and act accordingly. This way, you will keep him happy and away from things he hates. What do you think about this? What are the things your dog hates? Please share with us in the comments. As we come to the end of this video, we would like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We hope you enjoyed the content and information we shared with you. If you did, please click the like button below. Your positive feedback motivates us to create more informative and engaging content. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to make sure you never miss a video. By subscribing to our channel, you become an active member of our community. Your participation inspires us to create more content that matches your interests and preferences. So thank you for being part of our community. Hope to see you in our next video. Take care and goodbye.